I've never been to Bangkok before and I got quite the experience on my first massage day. I'm gonna need someone to verify if it was legit or not. I haven't caught a plane in so long I forgot how hard it is to sit on your tailbone 10 hours straight. I went to sleep for like 5 hours of the flight and woke up. It had only been 45 minutes. Then we rocked up. We thought we were getting scammed because we couldn't see Aussie's name, but turns out we just walked straight past it. And somebody said Smart Rides over there, so then we found that. I know New York is known for the city that doesn't sleep, but Bangkok is something else. People are always on the go and the time estimates to a place often end up being double for me. The thought had crossed our mind to hire a car, but so glad we didn't because it's like organized chaos. We would not know what to do. Once we settled in, we went to the mall right next to our hotel. And this right here is the real reason why I came. I'm obsessed with exotic tropical fruits and I've always wondered why Samoa don't do the same. I don't think I've ever seen durian or mangosteen at our markets, but maybe we just don't have the audience for it. We really wanted to try some of these market store foods, but we just didn't know if our stomachs could handle it. I got excited seeing Dairy Queen because if you watch Candy O, you don't know, but you know. This was our first meal off the plane and it was actually pretty good, but just way too spicy. Thai's standard spice is way too hot. Then the next day we woke up super early to go to our massage. And this is where things got very awkward. So I'm sorry, I can't even do this voiceover without. So basically, the masseuse fondled my girls, and pretty much that was part of my massage. I could not stop laughing after it, and I turned to my husband and was like, did you get a special thing as well? Then I thought maybe it was just part of the Thai oil massage, and that's just what they do. It turns out I was actually really wrong, and she just wanted to feel them. And then we went on a tuk-tuk our first time ever, and it was so much fun.